First of all, I welcome you all for this presentation. I am Biresh MP.
I'm Kaveri T.
I'm Nutan S.
I'm Gautami AN.
We are presenting on the topic called phase forgery detection under the guidance of Professor Vannaraju B. Here we begin.
Kaveri ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನಾ?
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ma'am.
She didn't give her introduction.
This is the index or the list of content which we have followed. That is introduction, types of forgery detection, objectives, design details, implementation, proposed model, workflow diagram, algorithm, result analysis, impact of project and conclusion.
One ನಿಮಿಷ, go back to the first introduction, first slide, title
Okay.
slide.
Okay ma'am.
Continue.
Okay ma'am. Next, let us look on to the introduction. As we all know that most of the peoples in the world are misusing these techniques called manipulating the face of an image by different applications like Photoshop, FaceApp and so on. And also it is difficult to differentiate the two images. So to avoid this kind of misuse, and here is our project all about to tell that image is tampered or not. Next, let us look on to the types of forgery detection. Here you can see the digital image forgery detection as having mainly two types, that is active detection and passive detection. Let us look on to the active detection. It means that a digital picture needs to pre-processing of a picture like watermarking and signature of a picture. Then it has divided into two types, that is digital signature and digital watermarking. The digital signature, it means that it's a mathematical approach applied to confirm the integrity and authenticity, and it comes under an active method applied for detection of image forgery. And digital signature equivalent to an handwritten signature, and it is and in which it possesses a key or a signature. Next, let us look onto the digital watermarking. This method is based on an active technique for image forgery detection. Generally, make use of data hiding. Next, let us look onto the passive detection. It means it is an identity of a client. It's checked and confirmed without requiring specific additional action for the purpose of authentication. And also, it behaves as a blind detection. In these techniques, there is no prior information related to image access the originality and authenticity. We need passive detection techniques of image without any use of active techniques like watermarking and digital signature. And the passive detection is further divided into two types, that is forge type dependent and forgery type independent. Forgery type dependent methods are designed to detect only certain types of forgeries such as copy mo, splicing and removal. Next, forgery type independent methods detects forgery in image manipulation. And here is a Gautami will going to explain about the objectives.
Objectives. And while recognizing any individual, most important attribute is face, and it serves as an individual identity to everyone. Localization of the tampered region is more challenging the tamper detection. The system should be capable of automatic learning abstract and complex feature necessary to identify tampered regions. One problem with any detection method is that it cannot give satisfactory results for multiple tampering attacks. Here is a Kaveri explaining about the designing details.
In designing details, we give a suspected image as an input to the model and it is converted into a grayscale as it is easier to process it. That is, less information needs to be provided for each pixels and can be stored as an 8-bit integer, giving a different shades of a gray. Then we load a rCascade classifier class. The value will be calculated by a weighted sum of pixels covered by the whiter rectangles subtracted by weighted sum of pixels covered by dark rectangles. And a feature extraction is done by selecting most prominent and the best features which explains the best characteristics of an image like eyes, nose, mouth, etc. of a human face, which helps in predicting a human face in an input image. If the face doesn't exist, we have to load other input image. If the face detected, then we have to input image into a CNN network for a photo detection and extract the facial features in the form of pixels of matrix representing the prominent features for anomaly detection. The local anomaly detection network is divided into three stages, namely adaptation, anomalous feature extraction, decision, or the classifier. In adaptation, the process the feature extracted for the manipulation trace detection so has to be used for anomaly detection. Next is the anomalous feature extraction, which extract the anomalous features. Lastly, the classifier or the decision, which classifies whether a pixels is forged or not. So, the most prominent step of these anomalous feature extraction is the step where the model seeks to first identify the most dominant features and then any feature which is sufficiently distinct from dominant features that is considered as an anomalous feature. So, the output will be an image with showing its tampered region. Here is an outline will explain about the implementation details.
Coming to the implementation, for training purpose, we are using Keras API with TensorFlow backend, commenced with 800 steps for training epoch with batch size of 32. Atom optimizer are used to enhance training. Training model saved as HDF5 file. Let us come to the process flow. Firstly, user uploads the image, which
ಯಾರು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಯಾರು ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ನಾವು
Nutan,
Nutan
Nutan,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ಹಾಂ ಬಿರೇಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Shall I continue, ma'am?
ಇದಕ್ಕೂ
Yes,
ಇದಕ್ಕೂ
please
ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Coming to the implementation part, let us come to the process flow. Firstly, user uploads the image whose originality needs to be checked. In the next process, processing of the image occurs where parameters are optimized. Then feature extraction occurs in which an initial set of raw data is divided and reduced to more manageable groups. These features are easy to process and able to describe the actual data set with the accuracy and originality. Then it looks for any anomalies. Finally, results out the tampered region.
So here we used a mantranet based on a CNN. The model is a fusion of two separate neural networks, the first network being a feature extractor for detection of image forgery and the second network being a locally enamel detection network. The first neural network extracts those features from an image which are suggestive of its manipulation to create a unified feature rendering for both the networks, whereas the second neural network localizes the forged regions in an image. The manipulation trace feature extractor is used for classifying more than 385 types of image forgeries, which includes the basic manipulation as well as the more complex manipulation, such as the DNN-based manipulation, sequential manipulations. So for the manipulation trace feature vector, BGG network architecture was chosen as the base network architecture with a default relay activation. First, for manipulation trace feature, in the first block, the base network was modified to wider using more number of convolution filter as well as a deeper using more number of convolution blocks, along with the use of SRM convolution 2D, Bayer convolution 2D, and the classical convolution 2D in the first block. Softmax activation defined was used to account for multi-class classification of the forgeries. The first layer of convolution neural network is always a convolution layer. The convolution layer applies a convolution operation to input, passing the result to the next layer. A convolution converts all the pixels in its respective field into a single value. For example, If you would apply a convolution to an image, you will be decreasing the image size as well as bringing all the information in the field together into a single pixel. The final output of the convolution layer is a vector based on the type of problem we need to solve and the kind of features we are looking to learn. We can use a different kinds of convolution. The 2D convolution layer, the most common type of convolution that is used is the 2D convolution layer and is usually abbreviated as Con2D. The filter or a kernel is in a convolution 2D layer slides over the 2D input data, performing an element-wise multiplication. As a result, it will be summing up the results into a single output pixels. The kernel will perform the same operation for every location it slides over, transforming a 2D matrix of features into a different 2D matrix of features. In a local anomaly detection network, the batch normalization is a technique for training very deep neural networks that standardize the input to a layer for each mini batch. This has the effect of stabilizing the learning process and dramatically reducing the number of training epochs required to train deep networks. We normalize the input to a layer within the network. It's called batch normalization because during training we normalize each layer's inputs by using the mean and the variance of values in the current mini batch. In a Z2 layer, max pooling is a pooling operation that calculates the maximum or the largest value in each batch of each feature map. The results are downsampled or pooled feature maps that highlight the most present feature in the patch, not the average presence of the feature in the case of average pooling. We want to learn a decision function mapping from different between a local feature and its reference to its forgery label. To fulfill this goal, we invent a simple yet effective Leiden architecture that mimics the human decisions process by using two novel designs. ZPool 2D DNN layer, which standardizes the difference between a local feature and its reference in the Z-score miner. The next is the forward to near analysis, which performs the Con2D sequential analysis on a ZPool 2D feature maps pulled from different resolutions. At last, we have a ReLU layer. The purpose of applying a rectifier function is to increase the nonlinearity in our images. The reason we want to do that is the images are naturally nonlinear. When you look at any image, you will find it contain a lot of nonlinear features like transition between the pixels, the borders, the colors, etc. The rectifier serves to break up the linearity even further in order to make up for the linearity that we might impose an image when we put it through the convolution operation. To see how that actually plays out, we can look at the following picture and see the changes that happen it as undergoes the convolution operation followed by the rectification. What the rectifier function does to an image like this is remove all the black element from it, keeping only those carrying a positive value, like the gray and the white colors. Here is Nutan will going to explain about the working flow of the project.
Coming to the workflow, we are using web interface developed for interacting with trained model uses Python backend, API endpoint server using Flask framework. Server listens to any post request made on the API endpoint with an image. Post request is made using HTML, CSS, JavaScript front-end interface. Keras model with the TensorFlow backend accepts the uploaded image as NumPy array and outputs the NumPy image array with localized regions of forgery highlighted. Then output is sent back to front-end as a response by the server.
Now let us look on to the algorithm of R cascade classifier. It is one of the Python library. We are using this because it's having an inbuilt predefined coordinate value such as length of an eye, length of the nose, width of the mouth, and so on. And at first, we need to give some input image which contains the face of a person. And by using some pixel calculation, the face will be bounded by a rectangle. Then the feature will be calculated by seeing the values that are stored in the database. And it will be compared with the database. If the value of the coordinate matches, then it will be detected that the face is face of a person, it's a real or fake. And here is a Gautami will going to explain about the result analysis.
In this result analysis, image-based face recognition is still a very challenging topic after decades of exploration. Sensitive to variations in pose and in different lighting condition, and it will be still a challenging problem. Number of typical algorithms are presented, and it will be categorized into appearance-based and model-based schemes. Low resolution, if it is a more difficult to detect faces, then an image resolution is poor. And here is a Nutan explaining about the comparison of AUC score.
Comparison of the AUC score of the model with the SOTA models using the benchmark datasets. AUC stands for Area Under Receiver Operating Characteristic Curve. It provides an aggregate measure of performance across all possible classification thresholds. SOTA stands for State of the Art Deep Neural Network. For evaluation purpose, the original MantraNet model was tested against the classical unsupervised models like ELA, NOI1, and CFA, and DNN solutions like MFCN and JLSTM with standard
Okay,
benchmark
but how did
datasets
you get
like
to the access here? I
NASP,
have logged in already.
Cassia,
It's
Coverage,
okay. Look,
and
you have to
Columbiad
explain from here
dataset.
only
The
and then.
comparison is tabulated in the below table.
I said I showed you this code yesterday, right? I explained here in the computer.
Yes, sir, but we need to explain the model,
The
working
impact of the
model.
project.
You explained the
The
working
first
model
is
here.
improved security. The
I
face
showed the
detection
code, right?
improves
So
the
code
surveillance
is
effort
perfect.
and helps
And
track
you do
down the
one thing.
criminals
See,
and
I also
terrorism.
trained on
Personal
this one now.
security is also
Then
enhanced
I need to
since
present
there
the
is nothing for hackers to
You
steal,
do one thing here.
just the password. The fast and non-invasive identity verification.
See,
Fast processing
given
of
this image,
recognizing the tampered region
given
of an
this
input
image,
image
will you be able
in
to
era
tell
of
to explain to
constant
the working
cyber
model? Will
attacks
you be
and
able to tell which
advanced
one is
tools,
forged
the
and which one is
technology
not?
would be secure
Listen,
and
this is
fast.
read one, this is
Then
forged
easy
one.
to integrate.
But let the model
So
dictate which one is
the
forged.
tamper
So what we have
detection
to do
and the
is
face
we
reduction
have
is
to
easy to integrate,
feed this.
and most
Look at it
solutions
here.
are
I got it, sir,
compatible
but I
with
need
the
to present
majority of
in your
security
laptop only,
software.
no, sir.
You have to present here
Automated
now.
identification.
Yeah. So
Okay,
you,
okay.
you upload this, you
Identification
tell
was
Lorin is
manually
done.
performed by a
Okay, so this
person.
is it
Thus,
here.
this
I'll
was
show you here.
inefficient and frequently
That's
inaccurate.
here.
The
Okay.
face reduction
So and this
follows
is
the
uploaded.
identification
These are
process
all the forged region, which
automatically,
include
thus
what
saving the time and increasing the accuracy. And the cost effective. It is of low cost and the less time required.
You log out
Next,
from
Gautami
there,
will
but I'm
continue
not
with
sure
the
if it will take
conclusion.
time. See here, see here. See, you can present from wait 1 minute. You present from here only.
In
Here.
this project,
No, no.
we analyze the appearance of an CNN for image forgery
No,
detection.
1 minute.
And
Whoever is
385
there, you
different
tell
types of
because this
images
thing is see if you
forgeries
start
can
logging
be
out and logging
detected
in, it might
using
be
this model.
it might be
We
a
have
problem
developed
here.
a web application interface for interacting with the model in an effective manner.
Why this
And
fellow is not
finally,
opening
we
again?
develop a chat box interface for the purpose of internet messaging platforms. Forged images has been circulated across many websites like social media network, internet, and have a huge
This is
impact
the one
on
that is playing.
public thoughts, views, opinions, and actions, etc. On the other way, to improve the
No, you didn't
practical
send that.
usability of
You
the
sent two
model,
different
and it will be
files.
reduce the amount of
Send
memory
it to
consumed by the
victor.aws.
model during execution and classification of a fake
Put
news
AWS
more
here
robust.
in front of
Thank you.
iClass. You put AWS. It's okay. I'll forward it there. I'll forward it now. Okay, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Is not important. Our designations
Do
are
you have
not
the video
important.
of your demo?
The place where we are, that is
ಡೆಮೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
important.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಾ
Yes, ma'am.
ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಏನ್ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು
ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಶಾಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ
ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೆಮೋ
ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್
ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್.
There's no
ಬಟ್
video. Once you demonstrate live.
ಬಿ ಲೌಡರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್
ಹಜಿರಾ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್. ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನರು
ಡೆಮೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ
Ma'am, there's no demo video. We will demonstrate live only.
who gave the format. This journal, this you are submitting to journal.
Yes, so for only guidance, we need
2 minutes, ma'am.
ಚೆಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದಪ್ಪ
That
ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್
leader is one who takes
Dinesh.
others also. Not,
What is the duration of the demo video?
Hiresh, it's all I'm doing.
Is it an link?
Other things.
What is the duration of demo video?
But you can publish this even after your
ಡೆಮೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ?
just
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪಿಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ forgery face detection? Forgery detection wherein slicing, copy, whatever you have mentioned, ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. But you are specifically applying forge whether it's been done on face, right?
Yes, ma'am. Because as we know that most of the people are misusing these techniques. No, ma'am. So that to detect whether the suspected image is forged or not, just we are checking that.
You are taking the images overall, or you are only specifically doing it over the face?
So no, ma'am. I will show the demo of that project. Then you will get to know.
Yeah, you've not included any screenshots in your presentations, right?
Oh, ma'am, I will be showing the demo itself.
How long will it take?
send it soft copy to you. Direct it.
Ma'am, only 2 minutes.
You submit to some journals. You have listed journals.
I will talk with the phone. This is visible, right? Ma'am, is this visible, right?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Go ahead.
Ma'am, there are totally it's having a 4.1 GB of data sets, ma'am. And we are trained the data sets so that when we give some kind of input image, so that it will just detect the image is tampered or not, ma'am. This is the test image which I have taken. I will be giving the input for that particular image. Here you can see this project. Ma'am, here is an output where some part of the image has been tampered, so that it will just detect the tampered region, so that we can get to know that the image has been forged.
There are few typical landmark examples for this.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
comment on those?
What is this?
Project symbol.
Hitler's when a person was he had made a person disappear next to him just because he didn't like that person.
No,
Have you
ma'am.
considered it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have you considered it as an example and checked?
No, ma'am. We are only focusing on a particular image, single image, ma'am. Here you can see, wait, ma'am. I will show the test image. Here you can see that this image with this the real image with this the tampered image. This the tampered image. It will just detect whether the image has been tampered or not, ma'am.
Same presentation you repeat.
So in certain applications, we are going for image enhancement.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? We are using certain methods to enhance the image, beautify the pictures. Is it considered as tampering?
No, ma'am.
We are going with some tools which is going to improve the quality of the image.
Yes,
If you give such images as input to your tool, your development, is that going to be detected as forged?
Ma'am, if you have trained that particular image, then it will be detected, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm asking in general. If you go with any test, I am giving you a data set of images.
Okay, ma'am. Also the management of different image forged will be detected, ma'am.
What is the size of data set you have taken?
Ma'am, around 470,
Around
4,700.
4,700, ma'am.
This.
What is the split up? Test and your test and validation, training and test.
Ma'am, 70 is to
70
30,
is to
ma'am.
30, ma'am.
70.
Why I?
So we have to set the project summary.
Have you used anything as validation?
You submit it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the region
This is the region which we have
for validation.
for
ma'am.
validation, ma'am.
This is the
This
validation
is the
part, ma'am.
validation
This
part,
means
ma'am.
predicted
Predicted
force
force
region.
region.
They have told Thursday we have.
Just, you just go to the slide, evaluation parameters, final result you compared with few algorithms, right? Your proposed MADM and run it with some other algorithms.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
just go
Yes,
back
ma'am.
to the slide?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
I need to stop this. I need to stop this. Why? Because I need to share another screen now. Stop.
For your context, you have used the sensor. That cannot be a major observation. So I want major observation.
This is visible, right?
This is visible, right?
Ma'am?
Ma'am?
ಅದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Result analysis. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ
Oh, table. ma'am.
Table.
Okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಲಿಟರೇಚರ್ ಸರ್ವೇದು
ಆರ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಟ್ರೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ವಾಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾರ್
Ma'am, pixel size.
Pixel
values.
size. Pixel values.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can we stop sharing
Stop
screen,
sharing
ma'am?
the screen, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Really, thanks a lot, sir. Because of you only, I have done this presentation, sir. Really, thanks a lot, sir.
this context. So the data generated.
Sorry for taking your valuable time. Thank you, sir.